guys, so today's video is going to be a review of the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line, and this was highly anticipated when I shared the picture of these products on my Instagram stories. So many people had said that they love these products and that they're really excited or they heard really great things. Overall, I mean, I got a lot of recommendations to try this line. I just have to put this disclaimer in there because I'm overly sensitive and it gives me anxiety, but just know that I am one person, so do with my opinion what you will. Cancer anxiety moment over. Let's move on to the products. There are 5 different products in the line here, and you have a shampoo, a conditioner, a mousse, a gel, and a cream. These can all be found at Ulta, and each of the products is $7.99, so they are super affordable. These are also Curly Girl friendly, so they are silicone, sulfate, paraben, phthalate free, all that good stuff. First, let's start with the Curl Talk Curl Care Shampoo. These are all called Curl Talk, so let's not repeat that 5 more times. It's supposed to gently cleanse and hydrate for enhanced curl retention. I don't have too much to say about this other than it lathers really well. It cleans really well, but like to the point where it cleans too much, and I just find it to be incredibly drying and it strips my hair. The only way that I can use this shampoo is if I do some sort of like pre-poo deep conditioning treatment. So what I started to do when using this is I would take the green apple and matcha mask, apply that about like 20 minutes before I showered, left that in, and then I would just shampoo my hair and shampoo the mask out of my hair, and that was a way that I could use this. But on its own, I don't like it and I find it drying and it's not something that I would reach for. So moving on to the conditioner, this is a 3-in-1, so you can use this as a leave-in, you can use this as a regular conditioner, and you can also use this as a co-wash. Let's start off with the good. It has good slip, so it does make detangling your hair very easy, but I feel like this leaves a weird heavy residue on my hair. So it's not heaviness in the sense that it's actually doing a good job of moisturizing, like some of, for instance, the Shea Moisture products. They're just too heavy on my hair because they are so hydrating. This just leaves like a weird kind of like waxy film over my hair. I don't know how to explain it, but so I don't like this. This again is not something I would reach for, and I have used it as a co-wash. I've also used it as a leave-in before the styling products, but it's just that weird product feeling. Like it's like, I don't want to say, it's kind of waxy. I don't know how to explain it. As you can tell, I'm doing it so eloquently right now. Continuing with the not so great theme, let's talk about the defining cream. This is supposed to lock in moisture, defrizz, and add shine to define your true curls. Well, whatever product is in the conditioner that left that like waxy residue on my hair, it's in here too. So it does leave that heaviness without the hydration. I don't find that this moisturizes my hair. I don't know if I've become more sensitive to product in my hair over the past few months, because lately I've really been embracing like a very fluffy, no product feeling in my hair. So maybe it's just me being overly sensitive, or just, I guess, my preferences are changing. But I will say that when I use this and the gel together, or this and the mousse together, my hair looks very nice. I'm not going to fault the products and say that they don't make my hair look nice, because they do. My biggest issue when using the cream in conjunction with the other styling products and even the shampoo and conditioner is the fact that my hair gets very knotted very quickly, and I think it has to do with that heavy product feeling. And the second day, my hair is just, it's not hard and crunchy, but it's just not like nice feeling. So next we have the gel, and this is the Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. It's anti-frizz and flexible for a anti-frizz and flexible for a flake-free firm hold. This is the only product that I used in my hair yesterday. I haven't refreshed my hair at all. So, I mean, take it in for all its glory right now. This is a really nice gel. This is my favorite product from the line. It definitely is, in my opinion, the best product in the line. This gives really nice definition without making your hair hard or crunchy or flaky or anything like that. And then it also has that really nice no product feel that I like. So I can use this on its own and I get really good results from it. And I have to say that this does a really, really amazing job at combating frizz. So it's not necessarily like all of these products together do a good job of combating frizz. I've just used this alone from the line with other products that I have. And then lastly, we have the Curl Activating Mousse. This is supposed to leave lasting shine and definition, humidity protection, and again, helping with frizz. This is another good styling option from the line. I get the best results again from using this on its own. This is slightly lighter feeling on the hair than the gel, but I think that's because the gel actually does add a bit of moisture, where this is just like a straight hold product. So I find that if I do use too much of this, it can leave my hair crunchy or a little bit hard. But if you use this sparingly, well, not even sparingly, but if you don't go overboard with this, you'll have really nice, like soft, touchable, defined curls. I will say Not Your Mother's makes a mousse that you guys have heard me talk about 1,010 times. I don't even know where it is right now, or I would show you, but it's the Blue Sea Kale Mousse. I would say the difference between those two is this one is definitely more leaning towards defining and holding your curls, whereas the other mousse is just kind of like a weightless, very, very light product. So if you are looking for something that's going to add more definition and just hold your curls better throughout the day, I would recommend this one over the Blue Sea Kale. But to me, the Blue Sea Kale one is definitely more moisturizing, and again, it's just a lighter feel product, so I probably would reach for that one over this. But again, a really good product. I struggle with my final results in this because I think, I mean, when it comes down to it, everything that I review on my channel is preference, but these give really nice results. I 100% would recommend the mousse and the gel, and those would probably be the only two products that I would repurchase from this line. So I do want to share some combinations that work really well with the gel and the mousse. Like I said, I use them on their own for styling purposes, but the Not Your Mother's charcoal shampoo and conditioner work wonderfully with the gel, so that's what I did yesterday. Amazing combination. And then my favorite shampoo and conditioner combination for the mousse is the Shea Moisture, again, the charcoal line, because that one is slightly more hydrating than the Not Your Mother's charcoal. And with the mousse, I feel like you can do with a little bit more hydration. So if you have any of those products, try out those combinations. They may work really well for you like they do for me. So I think that's everything that I wanted to say about these products. I have a ton of Shea Moisture products that I have been collecting from Ulta and Target. I feel like they're coming out with so much lately. So get ready, stay tuned. I don't know, for some first impressions on those and some more reviews. I like to kind of do a mixture of both. I don't know why I'm saying this. I'm just rambling now. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing rest of your week. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.